What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to learn about Caesar ciphers. In this video, you are going to learn how to use cipher strips for the rest of your lessons and how to encrypt and decrypt using a Caesar cipher. This is a cipher strip. You're going to learn all about it. Make sure you save this image because we are also going to be using this all the time. A cipher strip is a list of letters from A to Z that go from 0 to 25. You may already know that in proper English, there are 26 letters, starting from A being the first letter and Z being the 26th or the last letter. Using Caesar ciphers, there are still 26 letters, but we don't call A the first letter. We say A equals 0. We also don't call Z the 26th letter or the 25th letter. Instead, we call Z equals 25. Now, since you know how a cipher strip works, you can now learn how a Caesar cipher works. A Caesar cipher uses the basic fundamentals of the cipher strips. The original Caesar cipher uses ROT13. ROT13 means you shift the letters 13 times. There are, however, different kinds of shifts. But since the cipher strip only goes up to 25, that means you can only shift 25 times. So, what if I say to encrypt the letter A 26 times? There are only 25 possible shifts. So how do I shift this more than that? Here is a simple solution. Modular arithmetic. That basically means you subtract until it's less than 25 or is equal to 25. So that means I subtract 25 from 26. 26 minus 25 equals 1. 1 is less than 25, so I shift by 1. The numbers at the bottom of each letter are not always just to make solving shifts easier. You can also use them for encryption and decryption too. Say, for example, I want to write hi using the numbers listed at the bottom. All I need to do is look at my cipher strip and see H equals 7 and I equals 8. Of course, in Caesar ciphers, you can turn your letters into numbers and shift by 13. Encrypting and decrypting ROT13 and other variations. Let's say I wanted to decrypt VUXQ using ROT6. ROT6 and everything but ROT13 cannot be re-encrypted. So to decrypt VUXQ, you need to turn the letters into numbers. That gives us 21, 20, 23, and 16. Now you shift those 4 numbers 6 times to the left using our cipher strip. That gives us 15, 14, 17, and 10. Now turn the letters into numbers using the cipher strip. Pork is our answer. Now to encrypt it is the same thing but in reverse. Let's say I wanted to encrypt Joe using ROT12. First, I turn the letters into numbers. 9, 14, 4. Then I shift it 12 times to the right. and turn the letters into numbers. VAQ. 9, 14, and 4. So what I did was 9 plus 12, 14 plus 12, and 4 plus 4, 4 plus 12. And that gave us VAQ. But 14 plus 12 is more than 26, so we had to use modular arithmetic and to put it back so it can reach 0. And that's why it's A. Extras. Good job! You've now learned how to encrypt and decrypt cipher strips and Caesar ciphers. Make sure for Caesar ciphers to encrypt and decrypt always to turn the letters into numbers and shift left for decryption and right for encryption, no matter what. And that's what's poppin', YouTube. Hope you like this video. If you want to see more of this, smash a like and subscribe so you can see more of my cryptography videos. Goodbye.